Hi, I'm Mark. Welcome back to Everyone Can Grill. Today I'm super excited. We're going to cook a beer can chicken using Weber's Poultry Roaster. Put the bird on there, we're going to put some beer in, some rub, throw it on the grill and let it go. So stick around, it'll be fun. Okay, we're going to have some fun with this today. That's your poultry holder. The bird will go down on top of this. This goes down into the neck. So what we're going to do, I'm using a Yingling lager. Kind of seems like that's what I'm always using, but it is what I drink, so it's what I got around. And again, I'm not going to cook with something I'm not going to drink. We're going to put that on there. That sets right on top of that. Let me move this beer out of the way so I don't spill it, because we're going to finish that off. We're going to take this bird, which I have rinsed and gave a quick pat dry. We're going to put that right over the top, and I am going to pull this skin back. It might tear a little bit, it's no big deal. I'm not planning on eating the skin, but I do want to get that flavor in behind it. I didn't brine the bird because it was already packed in water and it would be kind of useless to do. All right, I'm going to remove one of these gloves maybe so that I can put the seasoning in without cross-contaminating the entire world. We'll do everything one hand chicken juju, one hand dry. And all I'm going to do is get some of that down inside there. We'll push it around here in a second, but I want to get a good shot in there, just like that. Ooh, I almost touched that. Now I'm just going to push that around, all around inside there. And what I'm using is Weber's beer can chicken rub. Go figure, perfect for this, huh? I'll just put a little bit on the outside, more for looks. Like I said, I'm not planning on eating the skin. Well, that holds up there really well. I'm not planning on eating the skin. Now, the last thing we'll do is we'll put the little plug in. And that's supposed to keep the juices or the beer steam from coming up out of that thing. I don't know how well it does. We're going to have to find that out. But all those drippings are going to go inside here instead of in the bottom of my grill, which is nice. You could throw some celery and some cucumber, some onions, carrots, whatever in there, and roast them in the chicken juice. So what I'm planning on doing with this chicken, though, I'm going to have a little bit of it today and tomorrow, and we'll probably make another video on this. Tomorrow I'm going to make chicken soup out of it. So we got to wait for the coals to finish up. Once they get ready to go, I'll show you how we get this on the grill, and pretty much you don't mess with it. So easy, very easy, which is what I like. A few months ago it was like 9 degrees out and we were cooking. Today it's going to be almost 90, so you can't ask for any more than this. I will be back. All right, these coals are about ready, but the first thing I want to do is, you could use one of these. They're probably a couple of bucks at the Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, wherever. But the beer can fits down inside this, and then you put the chicken over top of it. I'm using the other one just because I thought it was cool and it was something I've wanted for a while. Anyhow, let's get these coals on and get this bird cooking. We're doing indirect. I'm using Kingsford, just regular blue bag charcoal, like I always do. Get all that charcoal out of there. Now again, like I always do, grates go upside down, just like that. That gives me the chute on both sides. I can add charcoal if I need to. Makes it real easy to throw the coals on. Or to throw the coals on. To throw the wood chips in. We're gonna put this bird right in the middle, just like that, just like that. And to start it off today, I'm gonna use pecan. I might throw some peach in later on, but right now, I was kind of in the mood for pecan. I don't wet it or soak it or anything like that. I don't know if it helps it or not, but that's something I just don't do. Put the lid on it, it snuffs it right out. I'm gonna set my grill up to run about 350 degrees. I'm figuring with that size bird, it's gonna take maybe an hour and 20 minutes. So 15-20 minutes from now, we'll open it back up. Look at the smoke pouring out of that bad dog. We'll pull this thing open and see what we look like. All right, I'll bring you back when I finally open this thing back up, about the time the beer's done. Okay, we're running just a little bit over 350 degrees, and I said I'd open this up. Yeah, look at the color of that bird. A lot of that is the pecan smoke that got on there, but a lot of that is just the bird cooking too. So we're going to leave that on there for another probably 20 minutes or so. We'll check its temperature then, and then we'll see what we got after that. So I will bring you back when we check its temperature. All right, it's been a little over an hour. I took the temperature of this bird, and we were right at 170 on the thigh. Look at the juice in that thing. And 165 on the, or 170 on the breast, and 165 on the legs. You can't ask for any more than this, can you? Bring that over so you can see it real well. We're gonna take a little piece off of here right now. I'm gonna lose a bunch of juice, but like I said, I'm going to look at the juice run out of that. Now, that's why you gotta leave it sit. But I have to get a piece off of here and take a taste of it. Oh, look at, and man, oh, yes sir, that is outstanding. I like this chicken roaster because it's stable. My other one's a little tippy, where you can see this isn't going anywhere. I don't know how gimmicky this little lid thing is or not, but hey, it came with it, so we'll use it. I do like, look at all the juice in there. I could have thrown a bunch of vegetables in there and kind of cooked them in its own juice, but for the first try, I'm real happy with it. So again, I'm Mark. This is Everyone Can Grill. I really appreciate you sticking around. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. And get off your butts, fire up those grills, and cook something fun.